Oh, I am so sorry to tell you this.
Bleh.
GE is now a six-handle stock, hovering, forget the seven, perilously close to levels it hasn't seen since the financial crisis. We are at $6.72. Sound effects courtesy of Charlie Gasparino. GE, of course, the one-time darling of the Dow, ping-ponging between positive and negative territory, flatlining most of the day, now down a nickel.
What's it doing today?
Well,
it's on
your screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was...
What do you mean what it's doing today?
Okay. By the way, it went down after my tweet, by the way.
Is that all you care about?
It was, yeah, just taking credit for stuff.
Well, you don't want to take credit for that. This is a troublesome time for GE.
Very well. Where do I begin? I can't help it. I love doing Dr. Evil with you.
You know, I only wanted 2 children.
Yeah.
I have 3.
You have 4, because you have Elon Musk, too.
Well, I've got my husband.
Yeah, you did, too.
Wait a minute.
I love your husband. I met him in the street the other day. What a mensch. Anyway, why is it, the stock was up earlier today. Why is it down? Well, here's what we just tweeted out, and it's one of the reasons why I think GE broke. By the way, I think it traded at as low as $6.66 yesterday, which is not a good $6.66. Investors are questioning the feasibility if they go the sort of nuclear option, as they put it, and totally break up GE, sell off aviation, sell off healthcare, sell off the various parts into maybe to private equity companies or other public companies. And here's why: if you sell off the sum of the parts, right? Okay, what analysts are telling me. And you can get this on the internet, but analysts are saying this is a widely known figure. You can maybe get a little more than $200 billion for it, okay? That sounds pretty good, given the fact that the market cap is about $65 billion at the current stock price.
Yeah.
However...
$58 billion.
58, there you go. However, GE has more than $200 billion in long and short-term liabilities. About half of that, a little more than half of that, is in a pension fund liability and long-term debt. Then there's some short-term liabilities. This is a heavily indebted company. It's hard to sell stuff off giving this. Now, I guess you could say sell off everything and screw over the pensioners, you know, with the $30 billion of the unfunded pension liability. Well, you could probably...
Now you sound like Gordon Gekko.
Yeah, you could probably get away with that in the roaring 80s, and I don't think you can get away with that now. When you talk to corporate executives, they think it'll be, now that the Democrats control Congress, hearings on the Hill, you know, U.S. attorney might get control. Well, Congress is the House, right? The lower chamber. Now that they control the House, hearings on the Hill, probably some attorney general somewhere is going to bring a case. So they really can't stiff the pensioners, unless, of course, they go into bankruptcy and then a sort of Chapter 11. So that's the type of talk that we got now. Now, if you talk to GE, they say Larry Culp, the new CEO, has a plan. He's going to sell stuff. He's going to get costs in order. He's bringing in some new board members, some people that kind of get financed in a way that maybe the Jeff Immelt's board didn't. I can just tell you it's a huge uphill battle. At least that's what the market's signaling. Because if you believe that GE in the old days, the put together was bigger than the sum of its parts, right? The whole was bigger than the various parts because it was GE with Jack Welch.
Now it's the opposite.
It's the opposite, and one of the reasons is that $200 billion in long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities, including about half in long-term debt and pension obligations. That is weighing on this stock, and that's why you see the stock off. Today it went off when I put that on Twitter, so you could see the stock is volatile on
it's at its lows of the session.
And now we're at the lows. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm Dr. Evil of financial reporting. What's better, my Trump imitation or my Dr. Evil?
Well, I won't ask for your Theresa May imitation.
Michael Cohen, very weak individual.